It all started with a dream to change the game of real estate by being the first to build on top of the hills. This is where Palm Hills October started and the empire of Palm Hills developments unfolded. With Palm Hills October expansion, building the new extension to bringing Palm Hills October Bamboo to life. This was just the beginning. After owning the west side of Cairo's luxury real estate scene, we decided to continue our legacy in Cairo's east side with Palm Hills Atamiya. But that wasn't enough for us. We wanted to reach out to a new segment to younger generations, introducing our range of residential projects for growing families, starting with Palm Parks and Casa in October, to the Village, Village Gate, Village Gardens, and Village Avenue in Atamiya. We present ourselves as the 21st century developers of luxury real estate, not only in the city, but also by the shores, expanding borders from West and East Cairo to the coastal waters of the Mediterranean and Red Seas. With our summer beach resort, Hacienda Bay, and continuing the expansion to Hacienda White 1 and 2. And moving forth with Tawaya, our first project by the Red Sea in Sal Hashish. But this time we stepped beyond residential projects, introducing fresh concepts to the Egyptian market with our 14 mega commercial projects. From launching boutique hotels in the North Coast to bringing you your next door medical hub, Hale Town, and establishing October's new business destination, Gulf Central. Here we are 20 years later, expanding our community with Palm Hills New Cairo and Capital Gardens. The continuation of the Palm Hills royal family, the crown, and reaching out to the historic city of Alexandria with our flagship Palm Hills Alexandria and laying the foundations of our newest pioneering project, Badia, the creative city.
يعني ده مشروع حطيت فيه كل حاجة that I know, and I think this is what will be my legacy 20, 30 years from now.
And we wouldn't have reached where we are today without the support of our partners, employees, investors, and living communities, the true driving force behind the growth of Palm Hills developments.